When you think of videos, you playback think about YouTube, TikTok, Smashness, or maybe Instagram. In this meta science of 2020, where video content is more popular than ever, there in this is a platform that takes completely different approach to video content. This platform that directs a focus exclusively live streaming called Twitch. Twitch initially claimed property as a platform for games. While much of the content is still gaming related, some users are creating content and having success in completely different categories. This course brought for wide array of different methods to in the platform. Today's video I am going to show you how to make $5 in 5 days using Twitch. All sides it's different types of content that would help you achieve the fastest. Although details vary, Twitch monetization methods are relatively similar to those YouTube. Both platforms gives users exposures that may be used to earn money in variety of areas. Ways in addition offering a set adjustment way to monetize the receipt payment of content, we're going to be doing these methods alongside earning potentials. So ensure you pay content that are able to pick the best options before going to in the monetization method might be best of you. Is important to note that just like any other platform, Twitch has an audience that certains of the content. For instance, gaming channels are most popular format of the platform with the highest followed influences like Ninja. There's also channels centered streaming of conversations about everything. Think on the category as hosting content that resemble live talk show or podcast. Another popular channel content to Twitch are those focused on arts and craft. Now, depending on channel, here are some of the methods to make $500 in 5 days using Twitch. The first and most common option is through ads. Since Twitch advertising scheme is only a simple, the partners you would need to promote have a following in order to get this point. You can include breaks in your stream you Twitch partner. The total partnerships you would require at least 500 to total minutes. Streaming is last 30 days. But not only that, you would also need at least 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days. So it may require a bit of work for you. This is on the most intelligent preferable method because it's easiest and not necessarily to most way to monetize existing channels or an audience, and because revenue generated from ads are much similar as subscriptions or brand product promotions. You see why later in this video. Another reasons why creations of the perfect in method monetization is because the users can support you without having to spend anything. Several of other Twitch monetization methods require users to spend money, but that's not the case in ads. Once you accepted in the Twitch partnership program, you have to able to streaming and ads will pre-rolls on your streams. Although users seems Twitch is not extremely ad performed so that recommended no more than the minutes ads for streaming. The second options to try out road make $500 in 5 days using Twitch is affiliate marketing. For those you have a mind confused as that is affiliate marketing basically involves some things another accompany products exchange for commissions. Say you are run chat broadcast channel, you ahead briefly both specific product you are in a potential agreement with like clothes brands, original restaurant and many more. Whatever you like, it's possible promote products make affiliate without any aggressives. Sales techniques, some of the biggest affiliate networks in the world including ClickBank, Digistore, 24, Warrior Plus and Amazon Associates. So let's talk about Amazon Associates allows you to promote just about anything Amazon that guesses you. Amazon actually owns Twitch. Affiliate marketing is a really great options because you can start right away with 0 followers your content. It's possible to start make some money even with small following, and building large instance of following income potentials in affiliate marketing is a mind-blowing. Coming in number 3, the way making $505 using Twitch. Through donations, as a features available of all users, Twitch also creators as a label be able to support donations through third-party users. Twitch extremely donate in a variety including through streams level PayPal. You can add promotions about me profile or drop donations link to the chat. Another way to donate the patron, which allows monthly subscriptions, that one-time donations. You might provide patron with the exclusive content benefits ordered from these repeated donations. The most successful twice users are those that are creative in approach to encourage donations. Think about what type of personalized content you could create or not. Viewers to make donations. The four options: you order make 500 in 5 days using twice in a marketing. You another monetization method that does not require you twice partner to begin. While it's true that you can start marketing this event from even creations of twice account, it's likely would make very much money until you have to dance. So although every advantage on other apps is not exactly what one of uses is similar audience. Merchandise is basically the branding of products that are creative way. This can be done numerous things available for your market. The best way to get about creating online stores in likes Shopify, using commonly tree spacing or red bubbles on complete the common white print demand services. There wouldn't be needed pay large investment orders since the products aren't created. You can promote like shop, write twice, file and everything. Designs in the videos, in channels, grows common excellence sums incomes. In a $500 in a 5 days videos, how would be discussing in a videos? Days using twice is a true subscriptions. From many professional twice creators, subscriptions income is main source of income. Your channel will be subscriptions possibility after you attack from the twice affiliate. The requirements of becoming twice affiliate is the same another twice partner. Following subscription assistance, viewers would be have two options for no monthly subscription to your channel benefits. Subscription only screen private chat rooms, unique emissions, discussions, earlier method and marketing. As a channel owner, you can details your subscription include the price and the mix that you offer. Monthly subscriptions $4.99, $9.99, $24.99. So whatever you think, just go and 55 you will receive half of the subscription price. So thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Good luck.